Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. At AMD, we are always focused on our gaming community and on developing amazing new features for gamers. AMD believes in an open ecosystem, one that puts both gamers and developers first. That is one of the founding principles behind our GPU open strategy, and it is a big reason why FidelityFX, with just 2 years of development, is in more than 45 games already. The FidelityFX feature set includes a variety of different techniques that sharpen, denoise, optimize shadows and reflections, and many more visual enhancements to make your games look and perform better. And today we're adding one more feature to this great list, and that's FidelityFX Super Resolution. As I mentioned during our Computex keynote, we've developed FSR with the intention of getting it into the hands of as many gamers as possible. Not just those who are running our latest graphics cards, but also gamers running almost any GPU, whether it's integrated or discrete, current or prior generations. FSR is built around state-of-the-art spatial upscaling solution that can deliver over 2x the performance over native 4K resolution. FidelityFX Super Resolutions upscaling produces a high-resolution frame from a lower resolution input. It uses an advanced algorithm that we developed and hand-optimized. FSR delivers a superb performance-to-quality ratio and near-native resolution quality gaming experiences with super high-quality edges and distinctive pixel detail. Now, let's get to the exciting part, seeing FSR in action in a number of different games. We've been working around the clock with our partners to get FSR integrated into their games. And who better to show off FSR than the developers themselves? Let's have a look.
It was important to have a solution that is easy to implement and that it doesn't require a lot of extra steps to use or architectural tweaks on our team. Not only is FSR easy to implement and to see a substantial performance boost, but it does so regardless of what brand of hardware you're running on.
For Evil Genius, we're using AMD FidelityFX Super Resolution to get a faster frame rate on all the ranges of PCs that we're getting our game on, from the base level, entry level laptop, for example, all the way up to the highest level of graphics card.
For the development of Forspoken, we were really feeling the benefits of the low latency of FSR and the high performance that it brings.
FidelityFX Super Resolution is great because it's super easy to implement. The initial implementation took us about 2 days, and as soon as we got that implemented, we started tweaking the game engine to make it look as good as possible.
With King's Hunt, AMD has helped us to push the game much larger audience with AMD FidelityFX Super Resolution. We have always wanted to push limits of visual fidelity, and AMD has helped us to achieve these goals with FidelityFX Super Resolution.
We're very happy we joined forces with AMD on Terminator Resistance. We believe that the AMD FidelityFX Super Resolution can help us to expand the audience and improve the game's visuals for many players. It's also important for us that the technology is compatible with both AMD and other vendors' graphics cards.
When implementing these next-gen features, we were challenged because we want the majority of players to have an enjoyable, smooth experience without having to turn their settings down. Using upscaling technology like AMD FidelityFX Super Resolution helps us address this problem because it means more players can enjoy Far Cry 6 with their graphic settings cranked up and without compromising frame rate.
Thank you to all of the game developers who have worked closely with us to make this happen. Without their full cooperation and support, we wouldn't have been able to get this technology into your hands. FSR is available for you to try starting today in these games, with the additional support coming soon across a number of different titles throughout the year. Be sure to check out some of the live game streams that are happening today on Twitch, showcasing FSR in action. Check out the links below. Today marks just the beginning of things to come. Stay tuned as more and more games begin adopting this technology and unlocking its benefits to all gamers. Thank you for your time today, and happy gaming.